In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a Microsoft Defender offline security scan on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Windows Security. Best result should come back with Windows Security. Open that up, and then select Virus and Threat Protection on the left panel. And then on the right side, if you go and select Scan Options, go down and select where it says Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Offline can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. You would select the Scan Now button, and basically what would happen would be your system is going to restart into like a secure environment that the only thing running is going to be the Microsoft Defender scan. And then once that's done, your system should hopefully reboot normally, assuming there isn't some sort of malicious activity on your device that's preventing that. And then you should be notified if there was any malware found. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Again, just select Scan Now, and you would just let it restart your system, and you would be hopefully good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.